Good work tips, flat roofs. We have got a warm deck roof on here. We've got 140 insulation. We've got 200 joists. By the time we put the fairings on, the ply on, the fascia is going to be absolutely huge. So one way to try and reduce that slightly is I'll get the bricklayers to brick up and we'll do a notch over. That way we'll limit the height on our fascia. And what I do is I put a timber all the way around so we've got something really nice to fix to, or even on the fronts to pick that up. If it works, I can rip that timber along here to suit whatever it works. You've got a nice backing board, you get the nails distance nice apart. Also, I try and leave a 5mm gap clearance between the brickwork and the timber. But if the soffit's 10mm, it just covers that line and it works really well. In regards to this side, it is built up a little bit high, but with the fairings, that will work. What I usually do is, when everything's worked out and I know my heights from each end, off of my fairing pieces, I'll get a 6x1 and screw that to the side of the brickwork. So I've got something to pick the ply up. But not only that, is when I put my fascia on it, it's tight to the property as possible. And with the 15mm, the fascia nosing goes over at least a 5mm shadow gap, so it doesn't touch the brickwork and it's tight as possible and it works really well.